Here we go, my beautiful friends. Another day, another review, and this time it's all about the NIM2 soft. And this basically means this NIM2 basically is German, and it's in English it would be take two. And these are all Maxi packs, I think, and they have 3 different flavors. So this is Sherbet powder, this is soft, and this is splash. And let's check it out. So I eat a lot from this producer, but not these soft stuff things. So here's his says crystal. So I think this is poppin' candy. Yeah, it's filled chewing candy basically. It says, and it's 4 flavors. I don't think we do all 4 flavors. Would take too long. And I got out a big colander. Aha, here's this guide. Anyways, so 1 cherry. What else? Lemon. Maybe 2 lemon. The egg holders are too small. Apple is green and orange. Okay, this was that. Now the next one. This is plop, and I will use the press test for the plop. I use the press test on all 3 of them. So here comes the next one. Let's get the stuff. 1 for the plop test. Now 1 each. So I think it's the same flavors. No, there was no strawberry. Strawberry, cherry, lemon, and orange. Here we go. And now splash. Okay, soft splash, limited edition. And this is, yeah, these are fancy flavors. Watermelon, pineapple, and pomegranate, I think. Okay, my friends. So 1 for the press test, and then 1 each for the taste. So press test time. Yep. So I strip it. And here's it's closed. And then it makes a plop, I think. So I press in this direction. Here we go, only on my channel. Let's zoom in. Okay. So this definitely didn't work out. Anyways, so I guess I eat 1 of these. Maybe I do the good old cut. So I take lemon for the taste test. Okay. Quite tight. This plopping effect. It's not really. It's splash, not plop. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm super distracted. So now the plop. Eat the plop and see whether it's plop. Okay. Yeah, it's a super little crack if you bite in. This one is tasty. Got nice cherry vibes. But the stuff is super sticky. So I guess I cut one of these fishy things. Bristle. Okay. Here we go. I always cut stuff. Okay. And this stuff is kind of rare in Germany. It's not sold in a regular supermarket. I was buying it in a super big. Here, the powder. I was buying it in a super big supermarket. And yeah. I don't like it too much, I have to say this. So let's eat some of this. And now eat the apple. I also don't think it's a good idea to review all the flavors now to make a 30-minute video about this product. Okay. No popping candy. Just shabby powder. Sour. Okay, I have enough of it. Alrighty. So I cleaned up the press test. And yeah, I have to say I don't like it too much. I get the idea. The idea of this product is to make chewing candy more fancy. So yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't buy it again. I have now a very big colander with the stuff. I will eat it. The main reason I eat it is the vitamins. So this NIM2 is all vitamin enriched candy. And I like to eat these to stay fit. Yeah, I'm just asking myself how much fat does this contain. So it's 3.4% fat. Okay, it's okay, the value. Alrighty, here comes the logbook. Last time I forget to log. This was a Kinder surprise. Was too distracted. Anyway, so I rate draw all of them. So NIM2, and this is called soft. And the different flavors have been plop. Yeah, plop. I don't know. Since this is standard issue, so I just write STD. Then this was called brause. It's basically shabby powder. This was called splash. I think the best one was the original one. But anyways, so I rate them all draw. For me it's all draw. Yeah, I don't like the stickiness, and I would always go for so I would always go for gummy candy, basically. They all also make gummy candy, and yeah, and I don't know, chewing candy. Do you eat chewing candy or gummy candy? Let me know. Anyways, thanks for watching, my beautiful friends, and see ya tomorrow.